am second year student. I am going to explain this tautology and contradiction and continuous logical equivalence. Introduction to tautology, contradiction and contingency. Tautology, a compound proposition that is always true for all possible value of its variable on, in other words, contain only in the last column of truth table is called tautology. Truth table, a compound statement is a statement made from two more or simple statement. All statements are bold, open logic connective. Or logical connective are operations that are used to bold statement and compound statement. Here are the most common logical connective. Negation not denoted by negation. Conjunction and denoted by conjunction. Disconjunction or denoted by or. Conditional if then or implication denoted by conditional if and only denoted conjunction. Example for tautology. Since the last column of always true of T not T or and P contain only T not or T is always tautology truth value. Example. P, Q, P or Q, P if then P or Q. Example T, F, statement T, statement T. Also, always tautology is a true. Contradiction, a compound proposition that is always false or possible value of its variable in the other words contain only F is the last column of its truth table is called contradiction. Example for contradiction since the last column contain only F P not is a contain contradiction. Statement T F statement F also always contradiction is a false. Contingency. A contingency is a formula which has both some true and some false values. Every of proposition variable as a she is very A or B. A if then A has both true and false is a contingency. Example for contingency. In the above truth table, in the entries last column are combination of T and false, it is contingency. Example for T statement T. Both true statement, both false statement. Satisfiability. A compound proposition is satisfiability if there is the least true result in its truth table. Unsatisfiability, not even in a single true result in its truth table. Valid. A compound proposition is valid. Is a tautology. A compound proposition is invalid when either contradiction in contingency. Introduction to logical equivalence. Logical equivalence to proposition form are called logical equivalence if they identical have truth value of each possible substitution of proposition variable. The logical equivalence from P and Q is written. Example for P, Q, R, P, Q, R and statement. Properties of logical equivalence. Property of identity law, domination law, idempotent, tautology law, double negation law, commutative, associative, distributive. Identity law. It combines a statement and true value with the symbol V or then it will generate the true value. If combine statement and false value with the symbol A, and if they generated a statement itself, identity loads. Let P or F, P and T is equal to P. Combination equivalence of amplification and its contrapositive, treating an amplification as a disconjunction. Distributive, when a mixed two different operation on three logical statement, one of the gain will work on pair. Statement is first forming an inner operation. Distributive of associative, as per the definition, the addition of multiplication of three numbers independent of their grouping of associations. Commutative law is we combine two statements with the symbol. De Morgan's law in a propositional and proposition logic and Boolean algebra. De Morgan's are also known as De Morgan's theorem. There are the transformation rules that are valid rules of inference. De Morgan's law. Statement De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law are actually very natural, and we institute consider statement P A Q A, which we can interpret as meaning that is not the case the both and P and Q if true, if it's the not the case that both P and Q are true. But parentheses are initial when there is a mix of A and B, nor or as in a P or Q, A, R. Thank you for watching YouTube video. Like, share, comment, subscribe.